Whoa, buddy! Oh my god! How's that cake? Sully, you say He's like, hang on, I missed a bite. Oh my god.
This guy likes cake.
I knew you would do a good job on this thing. Here, let's flip this back over. There's more cake on there for you. Here. I need the black thing now. Here. Oh my god. Hey, how's that cake? Whoa! No. Gotta get a picture of that. I need like a good one of him, like with that cake.